We start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if we refer to our analysis, we mentioned we're looking for buy, but the question was because we have been looking for this correction. Okay, as we can see, the width dropping and the width dropping is really corrective, but it haven't break previous low yet. That means still if we get any buy, we will look for buy. And mostly when we have this kind of the corrective move, because the width were, the width dropping is really corrective and very slow. That means if we get any buy, mostly we will get a really sharp move. Okay. Anyway, we want to see how we can trade. In this case, we move to daily chart. As you can see, after we have this sharp move, this is where the price it start to drop. Okay, that's why when the price was within this move, we mentioned we can expect the price then for bigger correction. But the question is how deep this one can go. And the thing is either the price, whether the price can retest 0.006 or not. Okay, we cannot conform with that because if we get the correction here for confirmation for price to continue and drop more, then from there we can expect the price to drop even to 0.006. Okay, by the way, the reason I want to mention this is anyone, if they want to look for buy, they need to have a proper trade setup. And if anyone get the trade in the buy, at least to be aware of this, that also still we can expect the price to drop if we get any correction similar to what I draw here. But if there is a continuation from here, I don't think so. Okay, anyway, that means if you want to look for continuation for the price drop more, we need to get the correction to confirm the next move down. Okay, but right now we don't have it. Okay, in this case we move to forward chart, and as we can see based on forward chart we have been looking for this. If we mention if we get any buy, we will take it, and this is where we have been looking for the target. And we mentioned as long as the price haven't retested this low, can look for, if we get any buy setup, we'll take it. Okay, that means still is valid. Still we get, if we get any sharp move with the flag or the breakout of this, if we get any trade setup, we'll take it. Okay, and but if this one continue and retest this low, then we need to put this one in relative to this low. We see how deep it can go and how we can look at it. Okay, right now we don't need to discuss, and whatever we have here is similar to our analysis in my last video. That means if we get any buy, we will take it at least with the sharp move and flag. And even if we move to 1 hour chart, the only way we can look for buy, we get a reversal sharp move flag or having entry above this. Similar, as I mentioned, similar to what we mentioned in my last analysis, there is no changes, just price drop a bit more. Okay, and having entry above this, either above here or here, it depends on the traders. But if you, mostly here is really risky. And if you want to have entry above the top, what you want to price break and continue the price tag, even within the first or 2 hours, if this is not moving, we should take out the trade. Okay, in case this one give us one move up, this one turned to internal flat for one more drop. Mostly I don't think we gain the flat. Mostly if we get any sharp move, we can look for reversal rather than the flat. All right, anyway, but if the price continue and retest this low, then we need to look at it, and having entry above this is not valid. This is what we need to know. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, any trade setup that can confirm the next move, I will share. Thanks.